Hi friends, welcome to Raman channel. Today we'll see stress strain example. Here they given one problem. A rod 150 cm long and of diameter 2 cm is subjected to an axial pull of 20 kN. If the modulus of elasticity of the material is 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square, determine stress, strain, elongation of the rod. First we write down the given data. A rod 150 cm long, that is L equal to how much? 150 centimeter. L equal to 150 centimeter. Okay, 150 into 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeter. That is L equal to 1500 mm. You are converting into millimeter. And diameter is 2 centimeter. That is small d. Small d equal to how much? 2.0 centimeter. 2 into 1 centimeter equal to how many millimeters? 10. That is D equal to 20 mm. Okay, axial pull of 20 kilonewtons, that is the applied force, that is P. P equal to how much? P equal to 20 kilonewtons, that equal to 20 into kilo means how much? 10 power 3 newtons. Modulus of elastic material is 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square, that is the capital A. Capital equal to how much? Capital A equal to 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per mm square. Okay, determine stress, that is stress. Stress nothing but sigma. Strain. Strain nothing but small a. Okay, elongation. Elongation means small. Delta L, elongation. We have to find these three. Okay, first we have to find the stress. What is the stress formula? Stress means sigma. Sigma equal to applied force by area. Applied force by area, that equal to P by area means pi by 4 into d square. Pi by 4 into d square. Now sigma equal. What is the applied force? That is 20 kilonewton. 20 into 10 cube. Sigma equal to 20 into 10 cube by pi by 4 into d means how much? D is the 20 mm, that is 20 mm square. 20 square. Now we have to find this value. 20 into 10 cube by pi by 4 into 20 square, that equal to 63.66. Sigma equal to 63.66 Newton per mm square. Okay. Now what is the next what? Next we have to find the strain. What is the Young's modulus formula? Young's modulus is equal to stress by strain. Now interchange these two, this capital and small a. That is small a equal to sigma by capital A. What is sigma value? Sigma value is 63.66 by Young's modulus is 2 into 10 power 5. 2 into 10 power 5. Now divided by 2 into 10 power 5. That is how much? 3.18 into 10 power minus 4. That is 18 into 10 power minus 4. This has no units. Okay, the ratio. Now, what they are asking? Elongation. Elongation on delta L. Okay. Strain equal to change in length by original length. What is the strain? 3.18 into 10 power minus 4 equal to, what is the delta L? We don't know. What is the L? L is the 1500 mm. 1500 mm. Then delta L equal to 3.18 into 10 power minus 4 left side. Then it will become into 1500 into 1500. That equal to how much? 0.477. Delta L equal to 0.477 mm. Like this. Delta L we are finding E also and strain also. Like this. Thank you for watching my video.